Back to JRF Mechanical. I just wanted to let you know the front brakes are better now, but don't let your brother loosen up your lug nuts and you go down the road with it loose. I can't believe I went down the road maybe 30 miles an hour and these were loose because I didn't touch them. And I forgot about it. You don't want your brother doing that. Bad idea. Anyway, getting them tightened up. This is could have been bad. Wheel coming off. Lug nuts going off, bye-bye, and you start feeling a little bit of vibration. And this is a great tool that can make this video better. It's called a Gorilla automotive product. You can get this this cheap, like 14 or 15 bucks or 20 bucks at Walmart, but it's so worth it to give you that leverage than using that stupid ass star handle they give you. And now you go and buy a brand new car and they give you just a bar like this for just your car and not anybody else's. So that's why you can't help anybody on the side of the road. There's your excuse. Why don't you pull over, honey, and help that man? Oh, I'm sorry, honey. The dealership only gave me one size. Anyway, this is great. You got two different sizes on it. And the other two are on there. This is a great way. I already tightened up that one. Again, thanks for watching. Don't screw it up. Keep your dick in a vice.